So I finally made my first personal website, but it actually lives in my terminal. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made it so you can do it too. And by the way, you don't have to know how to code. My inspiration actually came from this post by Zach, but he didn't go into too much detail, so I screenshot the post and sent it to Manus for it to help me come up with the plan. After doing a bunch of research, the agent generated this document. And the first step I need to do is to set up the code base, installing all the dependencies, and also generating the SSH host key. And step 2 was to build the front end. Manus recommended the Ink library, which renders React components for command line interfaces. I had this whole design, very beautiful, in my Google Doc. There's a portrait portion, which is an ASCII art that I created using the ASCII image converter library using my graph photo. And I also wanted a cool font for my name, so I went to Figlit, which is a website with all these cool ASCII art fonts. But that might be a mistake because I spent so much time trying to pick the perfect font that eventually I had to delegate to you guys to pick it for me by posting this story. Number 4 won by a landslide, so that's the one I picked. After the hard part is done, I screenshot my design and gave all the assets to Claude Code and let it make the front end. I did a couple rounds of design adjustments on my local host before deploying it using Fly.io, and then I connect the server to my own domain using DNS. So now my site would appear when anyone SSH this command. This is actually such a fun project to make because I feel like we're surrounded by GUI, where TUI, the terminal user interface, is pretty underexplored, whereas the limiting factor of the terminal was what made this creation possible. Am I getting too philosophical? You tell me, but definitely tag me if you make one.
小红书